Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a first look at this Redmi 6 budget-oriented phone by Xiaomi. And this is the cousin to the Redmi 6A which I unboxed a few days ago. But this one is having better specs and a better camera setup. And as you can see, this is the 3GB variant that comes with 32GB of internal storage. And this is sold in India for rupees 8,000, and this is sold in India via Flipkart. I'll have the link in the YouTube description area. So let's quickly open this up and have a look. And this one actually has the MediaTek's new Helio P22 chipset, which is based on 12nm process. So it's actually a pretty good chipset for a budget. So let's quickly open this up and let's have a look at this device now. So here we have the device itself, and it says that it has the dual camera setup and that Helio P22 processor, which is Octa Core, and a 5.45-inch HD screen, and it also has a dual camera setup, and a fingerprint scanner is also present, as you can see. So let's see what else do we get in the box. So we get some quick start guide and other stuff, and this is the power brick. And let me give you a rating, guys. It's a 5V 1A charger, though it's a big brick, and this will be the USB cable. So let me keep that to the side, and let's quickly have a look at the device itself. Let's just peel this off very quickly, and as you can see, this comes out. Let me give you a physical overview. Here we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, secondary noise cancellation microphone. The IR blaster is missing on this one. We have the volume rockers, power on off button here, gives good tactile feel. Bottom is for the main microphone, micro USB port, and here we again have the SIM slots. Xiaomi is giving 2 slots these days. We found this even on the 6A. Your first nano SIM will go over here, and the second one will host a micro SD card and a slot for your second SIM. So that's what it is. So that's it. And back, if we move, we have that dual camera setup 12+5, and the front facing camera is supposed to be a 5-megapixel shooter. So let me do one thing, guys, and the speaker is here at the back, as you can see, and this is the 6A. In fact, as you can see in dimensions, it's almost the same, but this one doesn't have the dual camera or the fingerprint scanner, and this one has the newer P22 chipset, which is an Octa Core processor. So let me try to actually boot it up and set it up. But before that, here is a word from the sponsor of this video, that is Guns of Boom. Guns of Boom is a big online shooter finally on mobile. It's got tons of maps and it's easy to play. Over 50 million people have already joined this game within a year. It's got tons of weapons, customization, game modes, and it's really fun to play. They have also added special Indian content to this game. I really like the selection of weapons and big guns you get in the game. It's a blast. Install Guns of Boon now using my link in the description and get huge starter pack for machine guns with special skin, armor jacket, and the mass burrow for your initial game progress. See link in the description below. This Redmi 6 is having a 5.45-inch IPS LCD screen. That's a 720p HD screen in the 18:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by the new MediaTek Helio P22 chipset, which is an Octa Core processor clocked at 2 GHz. It has the Power VR GPU. It comes with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, it has a dual camera setup, 12-megapixel at f2.2 and a 5-megapixel for depth sensing. And the front-facing camera is a 5-megapixel shooter. It also has FM radio and fingerprint functionality, and it has a 3000 mAh battery. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device. Again, typical MIUI that you can expect, and again Xiaomi is bundling quite a bit of apps that are pre-installed. And if we go to the settings, and if we go to about the phone, looks like it found an update. Yeah, system update, it says it has actually found. So yeah, already found. It's on MIUI 9.6, and so yeah, update is there, which says has improved. I'll update it, let it download, I'll apply it later. And as you can see, this is having 3GB of RAM, and out of that 32GB, about 23.6GB is what will be available to you. So that's what it is. And if you just go back over here, typical Xiaomi UI interface, and again the P22 is an Octa Core processor, so in general UI and stuff, you shouldn't have actually issues with it. So and it also has some AI capabilities. And one thing I've noticed is that this is just for this unit. If I go to any setting, for example, let's just go to, let's say, battery over. If I press over here, you notice this. So screen issues there on this unit. Again, this might be only for this unit, but this is something that I'm noticing. If I'm pressing even here, again, you notice that. So that's something that is there. So quality control, I hope it's not prevalent in everything. Again, that leaves a blue shade here on white background that I am noticing. But again, it might be only for this. This is a review unit, guys. So anyways, be aware of that. And let's also check out the fingerprint scanner, how good it is. And guys, it's a fast fingerprint scanner. It actually gives a haptic feedback when you click on it, like this. If you press it half, it won't recognize, but if you press keep your finger fully, it is fast and accurate. So fingerprint scanner is good, no issues regarding the same. And also it's a very light handset because it's just having a 3000 milliamp hour battery, but due to the new P22 chipset, the battery life should be actually good because it's based on a 12 nanometer chipset, which is supposed to be very efficient. So again, FM radio is also there on this, and these are some of the other apps that are installed. Now let's also quickly look at the camera, because this one is having that dual camera setup. So let's quickly test this out. So again, typical Xiaomi UI, nothing has changed. Tap to focus is fast, so that's nice. And it even has HDR auto, and again, this is due to the new chipset that is being used. It's enabling all those features. So we have that portrait mode. Again, as you can see, the background is blurred. Let's take this picture. The processing of this image was very fast. Again, that's due to this new processor that is being used. And let's also look at the front facing camera on this. So as you can see, it's autofocus 5 megapixel, and it also has the portrait mode, and it's giving that background blur. So again, nice to see that we are getting all these features even on the budget orient. As you can see, this was the background blur stuff. Let me do one thing, guys. Let me actually take some sample shots with this device so that you can get a better idea. So these are some of the sample shots that I've shot with this Redmi 6 in my office in artificial lighting conditions. And as you can see, considering the budget oriented price, it's doing a good job. And here are some of the sample shots shot in my roof garden. Again, it's a very cloudy day, but yeah, this is what it is. And again, as you can see, even in these sort of lighting conditions, it's actually doing a pretty good job. And here are some very quick samples with the front-facing camera of this Redmi 6. And it also has that portrait mode with the front-facing camera. So here are some of the samples. So guys, that's it for now for the quick unboxing and first look at this Redmi 6 smartphone. Certainly for 8000, I feel Xiaomi is doing a good job. But again, regarding this quality control, I hope that's not the same issue as you can see, notice on the screen with the regular retail units. So guys, that's it for now. If you have any other questions regarding this Redmi 6, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try to answer them. And if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.